No, there's not. You need no wedges. It's all about the saw.
I want to cut this into cookies, but I don't know how to do it.
I don't know, but I sure love cookies. Go get the chainsaw and we'll give it a try.
Okay. Will this work?
Not that one. We need the bigger one.
Oh, okay. How about this one?
Well, that is bigger, but we need the bigger one.
Okay. What about this one?
No, not the high Chico. We need the Stihl.
Oh, all right. Okay, here we go.
Well, we're getting closer, but not the 171. We need the bigger one.
Oh, all right. Okay, here we go.
That's a good saw. That's the 271, but we need the bigger one.
The bigger one? Oh, man, okay. Here it is.
Now that's a great saw. That's the 291, but we need the bigger one.
The bigger one? Oh, boy, okay. How about this one?
There you go. That is the Stihl 881, the strongest chainsaw in the world.
We often get big logs here at the shop, but our sawmill can only cut up to 33 inches wide. And as you can tell, this log is much wider than that. And that is why we made a big investment here at the shop.
We've tried a lot of other chainsaws in the past, but we now only use Stihl. They're dependable, they have high quality. We have several sizes, as you can see, but we now invested in the 881. It is the most powerful chainsaw in the world. It comes with a 42-inch bar, but we opted to get the 60-inch bar because of the size of the logs we have out here. The power head weighs about 21 pounds. You put the 60-inch bar on there and it's about another 20 pounds, so it's about 40 pounds overall. So it's a bit heavy. We haven't used it yet. This will be our trial run. We're gonna try to cut some cookies out of this thing and we'll see how it goes. Thicker? Yep.
It's backwards?
Yep. So, the place we bought it from put the bar and the chain on for me. My fault for not checking it, but obviously it's backwards. We knew the bar was upside down, but obviously the blade's backwards as well. So we'll swap that around and we'll get to cutting. You know, a lot of people would cut this kind of thing out. However, it's a learning experience. So my advice is check your blade before you start and make sure it's not backwards. But if we just flip the bar, will the chain be right?
And then flip it upside down.
There you go. I like that the nuts don't actually come apart. The other ones that lose. All right, that's good, that's good. That's good till we see the chain. It's sharp. No. More. All right, good. Beautiful. Oh. You push it down. That's good. Well, that was fun.
That was incredible.
Holy.
Holy moly.
Beautiful.
Wow. That was cool.
That's a big old cookie. That chainsaw is incredible, but you better be ready for it. That's a lot of power.
I was impressed at how quickly it was slicing through that log like
crap.
butter. That was really cool.
Yeah, that's oak. I mean, that's hard wood right there. There you go. Somebody's new table. Check this out. You can see all the different spalding and everything. It's got a like a crack going through it with some bark in it. There's clearly 2 piths to it. I mean, that's gonna make a really nice coffee table. All right, so we're gonna get this set back up and prepped, try to regroup, and we're gonna try to make at least 3 more cookies out of this.
How thick do you think this is? I mean, that's like
Really thick.
really
It's
thick.
probably 5 inches, 6 inches, 5 inches. It's thick. I mean, that's thicker than it needs to be.
Yeah.
Next one will be.
Yeah.
Yeah. I didn't realize I went the whole way down that far too.
Yeah.
I was having too much fun.
Was it easier to run?
It's easy to run. You just got to hold on. When it first took off, I mean, it like grabbed me. So yeah, I mean, that's strong as hell.
It looked like it was going through it really easy.
Yeah. Yeah, I got to towards the end. I think the tray did help. It started pinching or something down there.
Mm-hmm.
But I didn't have it level enough too. So. It's pretty good. Yeah, except I still got to touch the ground there. But when I say I, you are going to cut one, right?
Scaredy.
It's amazing how smooth that is with the blade, the right blade length, when you don't have to cut it from both sides.
Oh, yeah.
Good Lord, that's a teeter-totter. So you want me to cut another one to show you how to do it?
You're too scared.
I'll do it.
We're on the camera.
Okay, good. We're not gonna do another.
Did you start it up top? No, you started down.
I started on it. So what do we want, 3 inches? Yeah, that's good.